look when it's done. Snaps on. Those just sit like that. Motors.
Fake rocks, yay!
Windshield. Yeah, no book. There it is.
Oh, that is cool.
This is designed so that if you wanted to do an upgrade of some sort, you got a place to mount your new upgrade axles. It's even color coded. Green white goes to green white.
You can get it wrong.
Blue yellow goes to blue yellow.
A radio.
So there is hello. Hello. Yeah, he's talking.
Surprisingly, this doesn't light up. Thought it's gonna light up. Looks like there's a...
That's another modification that you could make. These don't have bulbs either, but it's easy to modify if you wanted to put bulbs in.
Oh yeah, you're right. Close your eyes. Alright, Eli, open your eyes. What do you say?
Yeah.
You can try it.
It's in the back.
Yeah, you can put those in the bag. Wow. Here, Eli. It's actually pretty small on him. Here, try it. Try this. Try the hat.
I can't.
Yeah, it's too small.
Ah.
Okay, it's okay. Put it over here. Put it at the back. All right, Eli, you can ride it. Oh, look at you. Oh yeah, you can use that. Look. Look.
Oh,
Now you can say something on it. Say hello.
I can't.
No, right here. You put your mouth on it. See, press it. Say hello. No. Say here. Press this and then say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
See that?
Yeah.
What was that? Who was that?
Hello. Ah. Maybe as you get on it, it's like this. Almost do this when you try to throw them. Ah!
Yeah, you can open the door. There's one you can open the door.
And there's another one.
Yeah. No, here. Look. You gotta push it that way. See that?
Oh. Like this is.
Yeah, you can close it and open.
Some might open.
I can
some might
close
go
this door.
way.
There you go. I'll close this door. There you go. Good job. Look at you.
Ah.
You gathering firewood?
Yep. Grandpa asked me I need to give him firewood.
All right.
Yep, he asked me he needs firewood when he burn it like tomorrow. So we got some more here? Oh yeah. That baby one. Maybe Grandpa can use the baby one.
All right, let's go look at the chickens.
Okay, let's go drive.